Following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. Let's bring spontaneity back into the bedroom. And Andrew with Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to tell us about a new treatment from Wasatch Medical Clinic. Andrew, it's always good to have you here.
Good to see you.
So what's new with this treatment? What's going on?
Well, this treatment is a medical advancement. If you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, you're probably used to going to the pill, dealing with the side effects, having an awkward conversation with the pharmacist. Nobody wants to do this. We use acoustic wave therapy. This is a technology that puts out pressure waves that open up and regrow blood vessels.
Okay, so why is that treatment better than any other treatment?
Well, because the pills and the injections treat the symptoms of ED. We treat the root cause. There you can see blood vessels. That is the cause of erectile dysfunction, restricted blood flow, and that's what we correct.
And this treatment right here, what you're talking about, it allows couples to not have to plan their time together. Is that right?
Nobody wants to put the intimate moments on the calendar. They want spontaneity and on-demand function. As far as I know, the technology at Wasatch Medical, it's the only thing that can deliver that.
Cool. So as you go into your clinic and someone's getting a treatment, how long does this take?
The treatment is really easy, 10 to 15 minutes. It's done on top of the skin, not invasive. Men come in on their lunch break. They leave feeling totally normal, so no side effects of any kind. Just more blood flow where you want it, when you want it.
And as they come and they get this treatment, how long can they expect those results to last?
That is what is so great. It is a long-lasting solution. This is according to clinical data, many years. So unlike the pill, you do a few treatments and that is it, you'd be done.
Okay, so if someone's also worried about maybe making the call, it's maybe a little embarrassing, what would you tell them? What advice would you give?
I would say you'll feel more comfortable than you think. It's a discreet and confidential environment. You'll meet with a medical doctor and be screened to make sure you're a good candidate. And just think, 2 to 3 weeks from now, the results are worth it. What would the relationship look like if erectile dysfunction were no longer an issue?
I was going to say, like, you've probably seen this a lot. You've done this a long time. How have you seen this improve couples' relationships?
It is significant. The man tells us how the stress is melting away because he doesn't have to take the pill. The spouse or significant other talks about the improvements to intimacy. That is great stuff. This is attached to the relationship.
Okay. I hear you on the radio, I hear on television.
Yep.
It seems like this is probably a very big problem for people, right?
It's a huge problem. I would say tens of millions of men have ED.
Really?
Yep.
So where can people go to get more information about your clinic and this new therapy?
Well, you can go to wasatchmedicalclinic.com or you can call the number on your screen right now. That screening that I mentioned, the assessment and blood flow ultrasound is free. You'll get a gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom. Just for making the trip, that's great. It's all no charge today.
So that's a special for our audience today.
That is the special, yes.
Well, that's a big thing. So you can call, again, wasatchmedicalclinic.com is where you go. There's the number on the bottom. And Andrew, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
We
appreciate it.
Thanks.